Hi, it's Karen Gilbert from Simply Said with Karen, and today I'm doing a short video so that you can see how to use the hybrid embossing folder that comes with the Rings of Nature bundle. This is the stamp set which comes with it, and it's really a great stamp set. You could use it all year round for fall or autumn, Christmas, spring, just about anything you want to. But what makes this unique is the fact that it comes with a die cut and an embossing folder, which you can use together. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But first of all, I'd like to talk a little bit about the paper, because if you buy the bundle, you can also get the paper for free on Celebration. So this is some of the paper that's available in the packet. There's the birds, the poinsettias, some fall with the leaves. It's really a versatile, and this is the rings that you can, and I found that I couldn't find a die cut because there are single die cuts in there to fit one of these, but I'm sure I'm not doing it right. So there's that, and then there's this other one that I just love too. It's all the little houses that you can cut out in a circle or cut them out by hand or a rectangle and get some of the trees and things in there as well. And the last one is summer and spring, this one here. It really is a pretty package. Oh, I should tell you what colors are in there. There's crushed curry, evening evergreen, mint macaron, night of navy, parakeet party, petal pink, poppy parade, and soft suede. So this is the card that I did using this set, and I layered I stamped this stamp on crumb cake and layered onto the soft suede that I cut out. I want to show you how to do that. It's very easy. I'll just adjust my camera here. So this is the embossing folder, and of course it's got the cut side and the smooth side. And what you do is here is the embossing folder. So it's a 3D embossing folder, and it has the rings. But if you feel the rings, they've got a little lip on there. So you can put your, oops, wrong way. You can put your embossing folder in here. You can slip your embossing folder in there, and you'll be able to tell if it's in the grooves because you can't slide it. So if it's in the groove, you've got it in the right place. So this is cut side down, not on the side with the Stampin' Up label. So in order to cut it, put your paper in there and line up your embossing folder and fold the lid and emboss exactly the same way that you would use for just a regular. To do your die cutting, you use the sandwich that is your paper and your die cut in there, and then number 4 to put on top of the embossing. So here it is, just like that. You have a really nice tree ring. I did these the other day, so I'm going to cut this one out with a single die cut. You just have to get it lined up. No, that one looks a little small. Okay, so I'm going to use this die cut. It's smaller. It's the size of this one, the crumb cake out, and I want to show you how it looks when you just add it onto the tree ring. So here it is, all cut out. You can attach it to the die cut or to the tree. Just attach it like that. And if you want, you can also take a sponge and just sponge a little bit of crumb cake over top of that just to add some interest. So it's very easy. You only have to do it a couple of times and you'll have no problem. So thank you, and there is a blog post on my blog that you can find out all the measurements and everything for this card. So I hope you enjoyed this little video and you can make use of it. Thank you, and we'll see you later. Bye now.